Welcome back to Ben's Garage. This little quick video, February solar stats. February wasn't a great month. We've had miserable weather. It's miserable again today. But when it got to the end of the month, obviously being shorter than January, results were quite surprising. So we'll go and have a look on the app for the inverter and EDF and see what the differences are between February this year and February last year, how much we've generated, how much we've saved in the batteries, and how much we've saved on our bill. So let's go through there and we'll see what's on the computer. So here we have the growatt app. Today we've done 1.8. It's not very sunny today. Now we did have a hiccup here. At 5 o'clock it started charging and it charged the battery up to 100%. Now at 5 o'clock this morning it only dropped down to 69% on the battery, and for some reason it charged it up to 100, but it sat there all day and we're now at 86%. Anyway, February. This is today. This is 1st of March, 2nd of March, so we're going to go for month. So January, 205.7 kilowatt hours. February, 187.5. And that was not bad because it's a short month. We're only 28 days. So we'll just have a look at the daily February. So we did have quite a few days where 1.2, 2.9, 3.8, 0.9, 1, 1.9. But we also got some days that was 12.7, 12.6, 13.1. That's a record day for us, 13.1. So that's pretty good. We can go back over the last day in February. We're getting a really good solar curve and it drops back down. You know, this is when there's no load. It just drops off. Same here. Starts coming up in the morning. 2,000 watts coming in. This one was a good day, was generating 2,200 watts almost. This one 2.5 almost. Now I find it a bit strange because our panels are rated at 2.2, but not to worry. So we're on 31 trees. We've reduced 553.3 kilograms of CO2 and we've saved 222 kilograms of coal. So here we've got the EDF app. You can see our monthly costs. First month for solar, December was 49, January was 37, February was 37, which I find quite strange because when we switch it to kilowatt hours, that one there, January was 122, February was 113, but they've put our abonnements up. So if I scroll down here, February, our abonnement has gone up to €17. They're just getting craftier and craftier. Obviously the fixed rate has been capped by the government, but their standing charge has gone up. I mean, in a couple of years that's gone from €11 a month to 17, which doesn't sound a lot, but when you add it all up, so February was €37 for 113 kilowatt hours. As you can see, and so far in March we've done 3 kilowatt hours, but now they've got this new little thing on here, kilograms of CO2e. So December, our first month of solar, we did, I don't know if this is how much we've used or if we've saved. Here we go. Estimation of emissions of your CO2 on your consummation. So we've What's this here? Come on. This is telling you where our electric comes from. So 78.9% is nuclear, 8.9% is gas, oil and coal, and 12.2% is renewable, which is solar, hydraulic, which is hydro thing, or wind, aeolene is windmills. So 12.2% is renewable energy. So in France we do rely quite a bit on nuclear. And French websites are pretty crap, so that's why it's flickering about and doing all sorts. But yeah, so we did 6 kilograms of CO2 in January, and we've done 6 in February. But as you can see, it is a big drop from April, May last year. So that's all looking good. So that's it for our February solar stats. What didn't seem to be a very good month actually turned out to be quite good in the end. We've still got to get to the bottom of what's going on with the inverter, why it's charged up. Now, I've noticed in the comments, Sam from Sam's Motor and Machine was asking the question about why we charge the batteries up on grid and then use the power. Obviously, it would be better if we had a cheap rate electric where we could charge up cheaply overnight, and if we had no solar, we could charge the batteries up overnight to then see us through the day. I'm trying to get to the bottom of these lithium batteries. Obviously, charging them up and doing a daily cycle is doing them good. The micro cycling isn't quite as good for them, but what I want to know is, will it do any harm to the batteries if you leave them discharged for say 2, 3, 4 days? I can't get an answer. I've got in touch with the company who supplied all our solar gear, and they says, well, it will charge up on utility. The battery company's not responded. If any of you are out there, let me know what you think is the best solution, really. Obviously, we want to get the maximum life out of these batteries, so we want to treat them sort of the best that we can. So if it's going to be a case that doing a daily cycle is the best for the battery, then I think maybe if we've not got the solar coming in, we charge it up on the grid just for the time being. I've got to do a bit more research, because the people that are like properly off grid don't tend to use these lithium batteries. Whether it's because they're expensive, I don't know, but it's something that we're still looking into. I mean, the system's only been going for 3 months, so you know, we're just ironing out the unknowns to us, because it is all new to us. And but yeah, Hobbit will be back to work hopefully next month, so more solar panels might be coming along very soon. So that's it for this little short video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next one. Bye for now.